Okay, continuing our discussion here at Biomerics in Athens, we talked with CJ and Brennan earlier about new developments, and I want to transition to, once we have that development or design for a balloon catheter locked in, design freeze, Kevin, you're responsible for transferring that to production, right?
That is correct.
Talk to us a little bit about that process, and then we'll transition to Braylon and how he is the engineering manager for sustaining that program.
Sure. So, the process of transferring that in, it is really picking up on the end of that development, trying to get in really with the ground floor, even before that, with the customer, understanding what the customer's expectations are, what the specifications are for the project, and then literally just bringing along those requirements, if you will. Communication, we try to, we want to be understanding what the customer needs, being able to give core competency feedback is a big part of that, because we have a great deal of unique experience here with the balloon manufacturer. And so, all of those pieces we are trying to interject into this transfer.
That collaboration and that design for manufacturing, right?
Correct.
So important.
Exactly.
Braylon, you take that process once it's in production and are responsible for sustaining.
Correct. Yeah, so with my team, much like Kevin's team, we pair in with the development, we pair in with the transfer, because we have a lot of knowledge with sustaining and improving these projects already. And so by the time it gets to my team, our main focus is how can we scale this? How can we eliminate some of that nuance that they may have seen in the development and the transfer process?
Okay. Oftentimes when you're working or collaborating with a customer, you have maybe a forecast, right? Maybe a 3-year forecast, a yearly forecast. And based on the demand, maybe it's a product that is really wild in the market. Talk to us a little bit, the agility that you have to maybe ramp that up, even though you had a forecast and maybe it's 1.5 times that now. Talk to us, share with us the agility to ramp that up if you have to do that.
So since we have a really strong core knowledge here within my team and within our operations team, we're able to kind of bring in those new processes and integrate them into the workstations that we already have. You combine that with our vertical integration capabilities, and we're able to kind of ramp up a lot faster than other manufacturers can. We feel like that is what keeps us the most agile with any kind of changes within customer demand and forecast.
Okay, excellent. Thanks, guys.